Instead of starting from scratch, start with one of our ready-made wedding menu templates. With just a few quick updates, you can create a fresh version that's ready to add to your shop. I'll start by updating the heading and centering it to create a stronger focal point. Then I'll switch some of the text to the cursive font that's already part of the design. Reusing the existing font pairing keeps the overall style consistent while giving this version its own personality. Mixing a serif with a script font is a simple way to create contrast while maintaining an elegant wedding aesthetic. Next, I'll make sure everything is aligned and centered. A well-aligned layout naturally feels more balanced and professional, making the menu easier to read. I'll also update the couple's names using the same font combination to reinforce a consistent visual hierarchy throughout the design. A quick tip, if you're changing one text style, repeat that choice elsewhere in the design. Repeating fonts, colors, or other elements creates consistency and helps every variation feel intentional. Now I'll add a subtle background detail. In Elements, Shapes, I'll choose a square. I'll change the page background to a rich green. Then switch the square to an off-white color and lower its opacity slightly to create a soft layered effect, and place it behind the text. Background elements like this can add visual interest without taking attention away from the content. To finish it off, I'll add a second square using just the outline. I'll place it over the first shape and change it to the same green as the background. Layering simple shapes is an easy way to add depth and make a variation feel unique while keeping the design clean and cohesive. And just like that, you've taken a professionally designed template and turned it into a fresh, unique version that's ready to publish as a new listing in your shop. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want more ideas for customizing templates faster, be sure to subscribe. We share practical design tips, customization ideas, and simple workflows to help you create unique, sell-ready templates with confidence.